Have you ever left a meeting thinking, that went well, but not perfectly? So, business life is full of contrasts, small wins mixed with small mistakes. So, today's story is about a team meeting that almost went wrong, and how three short words, but, although, and even though, will help you speak about success and problems with balance and professionalism. Yesterday, our team presented the new marketing plan. The slides were clear and everyone seemed engaged, and the client liked the ideas. But they asked for more detail on the budget. We had prepared strong visuals, but not enough numbers. After the meeting, our manager smiled and said, although we missed one section, the overall message was strong. She was right. We worked hard all week, even though the timeline was short. By the next morning, we had sent the extra data, and the client approved the proposal. It wasn't flawless, but it was a success. Each connector, but, although, even though, gives a different kind of contrast. But a direct contrast in one sentence. The slide were good, but the data was missing. Although it's softer, more formal in the contrast. Although the data was missing, the slides were good. Even though it's strong emotion or surprise. Even though the data was missing, the client was happy. That's like a surprise. So all these show balance. Something went wrong, yet something went right. Use but when speaking informally or quickly. We were late, but we finished everything. Use although in meetings or reports. Although we faced delays, the outcome was positive. Use even though when you want to emphasize effort and emotion. Give some surprise. So even though the deadline was tight, the team delivered. So that's a good thing, a very good thing. Sort of a surprise, but not a surprise, something excellent that's happened. Even though the deadline was tight, the team delivered successfully. So these small words show maturity. You recognize both sides of a situation without blaming or exaggerating. So stay with me. So say these with me. The meeting was long but productive. Although the client was strict, the discussion was fair. Even though we disagreed, we reached an agreement. So hear how the tone moves from neutral, polite, and emphatic. That's how contrast gives your English depth. So next time something at work is good but not perfect, use these. Use these connectors to speak with honesty and calm. Contrast shows balance, and balance builds trust. Replay this short lesson, shadow the examples, and try them in your own next meeting or email. That's how business English becomes professional, confident, and human.